about stage 8. So understand this. This isn't stage 1. This is moving your way towards it. And there's no definitive timeline between stage 1 and stage 8.
Correct.
It's not like you got to wait this long. I mean,
no.
You can implement this as fast as you're able to implement these stages.
Yes.
But doing your own deliveries is stage 8.
That's right. So a lot of the things that we're sharing that our clients have done to turn the boat around are things that start by trying to get your sales volumes up, right? Because the more takeout customers you have, the more likely some of them would prefer to have it delivered. So the better your food is, and the take and bakes and all this kind of stuff, or the fact that now you can sell beer with a side of fries or whatever it may be. All of the strategies that help you increase your sales and collecting your data lead to making doing your own deliveries far more profitable. If you only have 2 deliveries a day, then it's not going to be profitable to do your own deliveries. If you're not using the third-party apps to get the customer in and then converting them to your own takeout, and then eventually you have a database of everyone who was converted, right? If your data is right, you'll know where they came from. You'll know they then came and picked up from you, and then, oh gosh, they went back to one of the third parties on you. But the point is, now when you're ready, you can go out and say, hey, we're doing our own deliveries now. So please use our online menu, and we will come. One of our staff members will bring it to you. Share a driver if you have to. So the key to doing your own deliveries is, yeah, you could do them right from stage 1, but you might have to have someone from your restaurant on call to do deliveries that don't exist. So part of the reason why we put it at stage 8 is by now you've actually done all of the things to just get your volumes up, to make you more comfortable. Then you bring a staff member back that's willing to go and do deliveries for you, and you can save the 75%. You build that business up before you lose that 75% advantage, because it turns out that doing your own deliveries come down to, in a best case scenario on an 8-hour day doing 3 deliveries an hour, come down to about $2.17 each to do them yourself. So if you only do half as good, they cost you $4. If you do a third as good, they cost you $7. But you know what? You're paying 30% of a $20 order already.
Yeah.
So you're already paying $6. So no matter how you slice the math, if you have any reasonable amount of skip the dishes or someone coming and picking up your stuff, you probably can start doing your deliveries. And now you take that 30%, you put it back in your pocket, you give some to your staff, your customers are happier. You don't have that, because again, skip the dishes and everyone, they're awesome. They're fantastic. And the 30% isn't all you pay. It looks like it costs you about 38% because there's 8% in orders that go missing or complaints that come in. So anyways, it's just better.